My name is Courtney Palmer, and I decided to discuss a topic related to civil law. Civil law seeks to resolve non-criminal disputes such as disagreements over divorce, child custody, property damages, or ownership of property. A civil court is a place where people can solve their problems peacefully. Everyone's familiar with Judge Judy, who handles civil court cases on television. In court, the plaintiff is the person filing the complaint, and the defendant is the person that the plaintiff is blaming. A major topic of civil law is property damage. The most common types of property damage are to real property and to cars. Some examples involving real property damage is when the neighborhood kid hits a baseball through your window, or when someone drives over your lawn, or when your neighborhood dog digs up your flower beds. It also includes vandalism, such as graffiti or egging or any other types of pranks. These incidents, along with innumerable other examples, can be the basis of both formal and informal property damage claims, regardless of the damager's intent. If the damage is less than $10,000, it's considered a small claim. If you're the victim of property damage, it's always a good idea to get an attorney to help you with your claim. Attorneys speak the same language as insurance adjusters and claim investigators, and a good property damage attorney will be able to take the appropriate legal steps to ensure your right recovery is protected.